In today's video, I will show you how to recover a suspended Facebook account and get back your photos and videos. If your account was suspended, Facebook usually send you an email explaining the reason. Read that email carefully. Most of the time, it includes a link to log in and submit an appeal. Click the link, sign in and follow the step to request a review. If there is no appeal link in the email, try login to your account directly. You may see an option to appeal there. If not, visit the Facebook Help Center and contact support to submit your request. Always use the correct information link to your account, then wait patiently for Facebook to review your case. The second option is go to google.com and search for Facebook account suspended. After that, click an official Facebook Help Center link. Once you open the Help Center page, you will see information about suspended accounts. Depending on your country or location, Facebook will give you a specific time frame to submit an appeal. It doesn't matter if your account is temporarily suspended or permanently suspended. On that page, how many days you have to appeal the decision. Make sure you submit your appeal within that time limit so Facebook can review your account. On that page, you will see a small feedback box that asks, "Was this help?" Click on No. After you click No, you will see more options. Choose an option that matches your situation. Then select the situation doesn't work. This will open a message box where you can write your appeal. In the message box, explain your problem clearly. Tell them your account was suspended and you believe it was a mistake. Keep your message simple, honest and respectful. If you do not get any response after sending your appeal, there is another method you can try. Go to google.com and search Google Play Store. Open it and search for Facebook app. Once you open the Facebook app page on Google Play, scroll down until you see the app support section. There you will find a support email address. Send them a clear and polite email explaining that your account was suspended. Include your full name, the email address linked to your Facebook account, and a short explaining of issue. Ask them to review your account again. After sending an email, wait for the reply. Make sure your message is simple, honest, and respectful to increase your chance of getting help. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.